Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to solve our pattern 22, which is last pattern from the Strivers TUF series. So let's try to understand this particular pattern here. So here we are given with a number n and we want to draw something like this. Yeah, for n equal to 4, what we want to write is outer border is of 4, inner border is of and then this is what we want to draw. So let's do one thing. Okay, even it is a hard problem, we will try to solve it in a simple way. So just try to understand what we are doing. Let's try to do one thing. Let's try to minus every number from n minus num and do the new matrix number. This is the matrix, right? So new matrix number. So what will it will become? So n is 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 is 0. So uh, after this thing will become 0. 8, 6, 7, 3. Then inside 1, 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 is 1, right? 1, 1, 1. Then 4 minus 3 is done. Then 4 minus 2 is 2, right? 2, 2, 2. 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3. Right? This is our uh, new matrix that we derived. Okay, what we did is like we minus every number from n and we try to form a new matrix here. Okay, and let's try to understand, like every problem what we do is we try to find out how many rows are there. So here we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, right? 6, not 7 rows are there. Actually we are starting the index from 0. Okay, this is our I. So we can write our first for loop clearly here. What is our first for loop? Till how much time? So n is 4. So we want to derive the first for loop based on value of n. So it's almost, we have seen this, right? To n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So we'll write our first for loop for I equal to 0. I is less than 2n minus 1 and I plus plus. This is our outer for loop for rows. Now let's try to understand the inner for loop. That is for columns. 0, sorry, it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way, 7 numbers. So it's easy, right? So what we will do for j equal to 0, j is less than n minus 1, j plus plus, right? So this is how we have derived our second for. Till now it's clear, right? Now let's try to identify this number. What is this number? So its representation in array or any matrix will be what it will be. It is like row number, row is 2 and column number is 4, 2 comma 4, right? If you want to derive this 2, right? So just try to understand. We will try to find the top, the distance from top. What is the distance from top for this? It's 2, right? 0 and 1, two elements are there, which is equivalent to I, right? And this is j, Can we say it is 2 equal to I? Yes, we can. And let's figure out the distance from left. Distance from left is nothing but this. It is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 elements are there. No, sorry, 4 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. 4 is nothing but the value of j. So we can say that it is 4 and value of j. Now two things remaining. Distance from right. Distance from what is the distance from right? Distance from right is 2. Right? It's 2. We will figure out some formula around that. And distance from bottom is left. Distance from bottom is this. It is also 4. Okay. So it is also 4. Right. Distance from right. Can we write a formula? 2n minus 2 minus I. Is it equivalent? Let's see. 2n is n is 4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Right? 6 minus I. 6 minus I. I is 2. 6 minus I is 2. Right? In this case, 6 minus I. 6 minus 2. 4. And what is 2n minus 2 minus j? 2n minus 2. 8 minus 2. 6. 6 minus j. 4. 6 minus 4. 2. We'll do it as j. And 2n minus 2 minus I is it equivalent or not? Let's see. We have already seen that 2n 8 minus 2 6 6 minus 6 minus I 6 minus I is 2 6 minus I is 2 4. So we have derived these two formulas also, right? So we have got for this particular 2 we have got 4 numbers: top, left, right and bottom. Can we find the minimum of these 4? Minimum of these 4? Yes, it's equal to 2. So can we say this is the 2 number? Right? Can we say the n minus this 2 is equal to our actual number in matrix? See, n is 4. 4 minus what we got from this minimum is this 2 and equal to 2. 2 is our 2 is our what? 2 is our this is the number, right? Take 1, 2, 3, 4 from this 4, right? From top 1, 2, yes. From right 2, yes. This is our equivalent number 2. So we can say that we do n minus this number, whatever the minimum from these 4 is equal to our number in matrix, right? We have to write it here. We already got our top. What is our top? Top is nothing but I. Top is I. And what is our left? Left is j. Left equal to j. And bottom. What is our bottom? Bottom is 2n minus 2 minus I. 2n minus 2 minus I. This is our bottom. And right is 2n minus 2 minus j. That is our right. Okay. Now what we want to do? We want to find minimum of all these 4. What we'll do? Minimum of top, left, bottom and right. Minimum of these 4. We'll subtract it from n, right? And what will just print this number for every iteration. Maybe what we'll do, we'll add one space here. We will close the inner for loop and outer for loop. What we'll do, we'll just do print n to line breaker. So this is our pseudo code. I hope you have understood. Let's try to code this here. I is I is less than 2n minus 2 into n. We have to do 2 into n minus 1 and I plus plus or int equal to 0 less than into n minus 1 plus, right? After this, what we'll do, we'll initialize our top, right? Int f equal to j auto n into 2 minus, right, right, n minus 2 minus j is our derived formula, right? After this, what we'll do, skim dot say that what we'll do n minus math function. We have to math dot mean of these four, so we can't pass actually four values. So what we'll do, math dot mean of two values and then again two values, not one, it is equivalent. Math dot mean of top comma left, right, and again dot mean of bottom comma right. Okay. And what I have to do, follow. And after that, what we'll do, line breaker system dot out dot print ln. This here, yes, it got accepted. Submit. Yes, it's submitted. Time complexity, yes, it is O of n square because we are running each loop iterating into n minus 1 times, so it is nested loop. O of n, O of 1 is the space complexity, since we don't have any other variables or storage required apart from the loop variables, right? Let's do the code review also. It's not working, not sure what happened. Anyways, so we are almost done with all the patterns and I hope you have understood it. I know there were some problems with the sound, but we are trying to fix it, and right now I am guessing it is correct. Please write down in comments whatever problems or whatever things you want me to like solve on our channel, so we'll definitely try to do that. So from like next onwards, we'll try to uh, solve the another section from the beginner problems only. So let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Please try to subscribe our channel and please provide your feedback. We really appreciate that. Thank you.